Do you feel that you don't have enough time each day to get what needs to be done? Do you feel anxious that you've just got so much stuff to do and have no idea when or even how you're going to get it done? Well, I've got some good news for you. I have just launched a brand new course called the Time-Based Productivity course, and it's all about a more humane, realistic way to manage your time and be more productive. Now, over the last 10-20 years, we've been moving away from sustainable productivity and time management to a completely unsustainable and unrealistic method of managing our time. That is what I call task-based productivity. It's all about what's coming in. It's, if you like, it's all about how many things have I got to do today instead of how much time do I have to do what needs to be done today. And that's what this course is about. It's about transforming your relationship with time. I am going to show you a simple, tried, tested method that will take that pressure away from you of stuff coming in and move it to a more sustainable and humane way of managing your time. Essentially, it puts you back into your time because it's about how much time you're willing to allocate to different types of work that you have to do. Now, the course has just launched. It's a fantastic course. It's 90 minutes that's going to seriously transform your life because no more stress, no more anxiety, no more overwhelm. It's just you making decisions about where you need to spend your time today, this week, or this month so that you are getting the right things done. It's not just about work either. Your work is important, but you also live a life that you want time to do. Do you remember things like hobbies, things like spending time with your family, going out on picnics, anything like that? If you want time for those things, then this course is going to show you how to find that time and how to enjoy that time. It's an amazing course. I've been putting this course together for the last 6 months and finally it's now available for you. Full details of the course are below. You can sign up right now and I look forward to seeing you in the brand new course, the Time-Based Productivity course.